Okay, so I got this box and whisker plot right here, and I want to identify the key features, the key parts of this box and whisker plot. So let's start by trying to identify what the minimum is. Well, the minimum, like we found above, is right here. Here's the minimum, and so we need to figure out what's that value. Well, the value of the minimum, if this is 150, this is 200, so this would probably be 175, right? So the value of the minimum would probably be right between 150 and 175. I don't know, 162, something like that. So it looks like it's about 162 for the minimum value, looking at this box and whisker plot. The next thing we want to identify is the Q1, or lower quartile. And so that is right here. Looks like we're going down to that point. I would say, I don't know, estimating 195 for that, 195. That's what I would go with. And then the next one up, we got the median, or Q2. The median, or Q2, is right here. So just work our way down, see what the value is at. That's between 200 and 250. Maybe it's a little bit less. I would say this is the midpoint. So instead of 225, I'd go with 220. We'll go with 220 for the median. And then let's work our way, let's do this one. This is the quartile 3, or the upper quartile. And that one, if we work our way down, we got between 225 and 250, probably right in the middle. So we'll add 12.5 to 225, so about 237. 237, right there. And lastly, we got the maximum. The maximum is above 300, but less than 325. It's probably right in the middle. How about we just go with 310? Looks like it's about 310. When we look at this, 310. If we work our way down there, right? 310. So that's identifying the minimum, quartile, median, quartile 3, maximum. Now we have to figure out the interquartile range. Now remember, the interquartile range is the difference between quartile 3 and quartile 1. So if quartile 3 was 237 and quartile 1 was 195, we just have to do 237 right there. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen. We just have to do 237 minus the 195 that we have right here. Okay, minus 195. So 237 minus 195, well, then we'll add this 5, and then 237, so it looks like it's about 42. This is equal to 42. That's the IQR right there. Okay. And then to find the range is just subtracting the minimum from the maximum. So our maximum was 310. I'm going to subtract that from the minimum, which was 162. So the min minus the max, this is 40, 38 plus another 100 onto that, so 138 plus 10, so 148. 148, if I did the math right in my head, is the range for this set of data. So this is how you can look at a box and whisker plot like this and find the 5-finger summary. I like to call it the 5-finger summary: the min, the quartile, lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the maximum, and find the IQR, the interquartile range, and the range from a box and whisker plot.